Hello and welcome back on my channel. In this short video, I'm going to create follow-up how you can update your Nextcloud all-in-one instance. So let's go update our Nextcloud. So first, what do you need to do is to log in with your main admin account to your Nextcloud. And then you will go to the administration settings. And here in the overview, you will see Open Nextcloud all-in-one interface. So you click this, you accept the risk, and Nextcloud all-in-one will load. So here is your interface, and basically what you need to do first is to stop containers. Once your containers are stopped, you will need to update your master container. Usually this can take a couple minutes. Once your master container is updated, next thing what you need to do is to create a backup. And here you click this and you can create your backup. You click OK and it will create backup. And you can check the log files for the backup itself, and you will see it will be stored in the MNT Borg backup and a Borg. But if you don't have your backup prepared in your folder, all you need to do is to enter the location where you want to be backup stored. And as you can see, my backup has been already finished, so we can move back to the all-in-one. And we can reload, and we can click Start and Update Containers. And click Yes. And this process will update all containers like Apache database, Redis, Collabora, Talk, antivirus, and those kind of things. So it can take up to 3 to 5 minutes at maximum. And this page will auto reload. And the update process is done. As you can see, all containers are running, so that's it. It's really simple and easy to update your Nextcloud all-in-one instance.